Good evening, learners at home. You're welcome to Adewale Kayode online class, and this is a page where you get 21st century content that can enrich your learning outcome in mathematics. Don't forget, we are still on our 50 mathematics tree, and this is talking about how to find HCF. So if you are asked to find HCF of 12 and 30, this trick is going to work for you, and we are going to make use of prime number. Don't forget, a prime number has two factors, itself and 1. But 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. So let's see this now. 12 and 30. For 12, I can have 2 multiplied by 6. So this is a prime number. For 6, that will be 2 multiplied by 3. This is a prime number. This is also what? A prime number. Let's see for 30. Somebody said 2 multiplied by 15. This is a prime number. For 15, 3 multiplied by 5. This is a prime number. This is also a prime number. Like I said, this trick is going to work for students at all levels doing mathematics. So, I'm going to take you to another concept in mathematics, which we call set theory. This is a Venn diagram now. I'm going to use this to find the HCF. So, for this, what is common between these? Alright, 2 is common to both of them. Also, 3 is also common to both of them. So, out of this prime number that we have here, we have seen 2, we have seen 3. What is left is what? 2. So, for this one, we have seen 2, we have seen 3. What is left is what? Is 5. So, all this is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. For this, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So, the highest common factor is the numbers in between them. So, we can now say the HCF is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to what? 6. I'm going to leave you with this exercise. Find the HCF of this 30 and 50, 60 and 84 using the same trick. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the notification button to get notification anytime we have a content that can assist you in mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.